How to use Google Drive offline on your computer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are not connected to internet, you can still view and edit files such as Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides. Google Drive offers you the option to use the files offline with Drive on the web. But before that, you must turn on the offline access. Also, to do so, you have to open your Google Drive, then click on the folder or file that you want to make offline. Or what you can do is just double tap to open the file or right click on it to access the offline option. As you can see, this folder is already on the offline access, but if it is not, you have to right click on it and click on make offline access. Once that is done, go to a new tab and click on web store. After that, search for Google Docs offline and add it to the Chrome. Once the extension is added, you can easily use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides offline access as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.